What's up, guys? Cruise TV here, and I have a special mod for you. So as you can see here, this is an Emblem overlay, goes right over, that I got from AJT Design, and I've got a couple of their products. I've got the shifter knob here, so if you want to see a video on that, you can go ahead and check out my channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future mods. So let's go ahead and talk about this one. This is blacked out, obviously. It's got the 3M backing on the back, and you pretty much just clean it, alcohol, put it right on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and let you guys see the finished product. Alright guys, so I got this all finished up. Pretty easy install, and I gotta say I really like how this came out. It really looks nice with all the red that I have around the truck. Man, that looks so much better than chrome. Believe it or not, when the sun would shine in here, it would glare off the chrome and just glare right into my eyes. So this is so much better, and it looks so much better. Wow. Yeah, I'm pretty happy about this. So I got this from, like I said, AJT Design. So if you want to go on their website, check them out. They got a lot of great products. I have their shift knob. They got a lot of good stuff for the Tundra and for the Tacoma. I really like how this came out. They did a great job. The adhesive stuck really well. Everything lined up perfect. And if you guys are wondering, there is no chrome exposed. None. It is completely covered. So they are really professional. The lasers that they use to cut these out are great. It would be really cool if they made some outside, emblem overlays, because I see a lot of them on Amazon that kind of expose the chrome around the edges. So I haven't really gotten that mod yet, because I'm looking for someone who makes them affordable and pretty high quality. And I think that AJT, this is my shout out to you guys. I think you guys should really make some emblem overlays for the outside of the trucks. So yeah, man, I'm stoked about this. All right, guys, that's my quick review and install of this emblem overlay for the inside of the truck. AJT Design. Look them up. They're great. All right, guys, that's it for now. Subscribe for future videos. Like, hit that notification bell, because I got some more mods coming in the mail. So stay tuned for that. I'll give you a hint. Ugly chrome. So I have some things coming in the mail. They should be here soon. Once again, hit that notification bell, subscribe, and you won't miss a thing. All right, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Continue your day. Have a great day, and I will catch you on the next one.